If you're still typing meeting notes manually or writing your ideas in some dusty Google Note, bro, you are living in wrong timeline. This AI listen to what you say, turn it into perfect notes, summaries, and even scripts. Meet Whisper AI, an open source AI tool by OpenAI that literally transcribe your voice like a most loyal assistant. So today I'll show you how to build your own voice to text note taker using just Python and Whisper in under 5 minutes. So what is Whisper AI? Now Whisper is a powerful speech to text model by OpenAI. It can transcribe multiple languages, auto-detect languages, and works even with noisy audio. And the best part, it's free, run on your local machine or in Colab, and supports English, Hindi, and more. So let's get started with it. Let's begin. Step 1. Open up Google Colab. This is your cloud-based Python lab. No setup, no installation. I'm now opening my notepad file where I've wrote and organized all the commands earlier. Because honestly, writing code live is cool, but writing it clean first, that's pro. I have already installed command 1 just to save time in the video. This command installs Whisper straight from OpenAI's GitHub. No setup, no API key, no headache. Now let's copy the second command from here and paste it into Colab. Hit run and wait for few seconds. We are loading the base model. Lightweight, fast, and works even on Colab's free tier. Want better accuracy? Try small, medium, or large if you have got the GPU. Alright, now I'm copying this line import Whisper directly from here. And let's paste it into Google Colab and run it. Pause and wait till it runs. Okay, that's done. Now let's move to the next step. We will copy the command to load the base Whisper model. Again, just pasting it here in Colab. We wait again for it to finish loading the model. This might take a few seconds depending on your internet and runtime. So don't worry, just let it complete. Boom, the base model is now loaded, fast and light. Let's now upload a real voice file. I have got this short voice note ready. How AI thinks.mp3. Now copy this upload command from Notepad and paste it into Colab and run. Now file picker opens. You can select your voice.mp3. I am selecting how AI thinks.mp3. So yeah, just choose your file and let it upload. Mine's a short text note recorded on my phone for one of my YouTube short. As you can see, upload is in progress, and yeah, now I think it's done. Now next, let's copy the command to transcribe your audio file, which is model.transcribe in bracket voice.mp3, and then we are printing result text. So now let's run this and wait. Whisper will listen to your file and print clean text. Oops, looks like we hit a small error. Sorry about that. Even I'm still new to Google Colab, so this things happens, but no worries. Let's quickly fix it and run the command again. As you can see, name of voice.mp3 is wrong. Basically it should be how AI thinks.mp3, but it was voice.mp3, so that's why it was giving error. So let me change it to how AI thinks.mp3 and it should work. So yeah, I copied how AI thinks.mp3 and I think this will solve our error. And yeah, as you can see, it is working now. As you can see, and the text here says, ever wonder how does AI actually think? Is it like a human brain? So this is actually from one of my previous shorts. If you haven't seen it yet, you can check it out on my channel. Now, want to know what language you spoke in? Whisper auto detects it. So now let's copy this command detect language and result in bracket language and paste into Colab and run it. Boom, the output is English. Now Whisper correctly detected English. That's what I expected. No config, no input language hint. Whisper just figured it out. Now let's say if you're uploading Hindi clip, then Whisper will give detected languages Hindi. That's the power of multilingual AI, trained on hundreds of languages and no need to specify anything. Now let's save the transcript as a downloadable .text file. So what I will do, I'll just copy this command into Google Colab and let's run this command just like this. Now hit Shift plus Enter to run. Let it finish. No error means it worked. This just wrote the full transcript into a plain .text file. Next, we'll copy this command to download the file directly. Paste it in, run it, and boom, your browser should download the file automatically. So yeah, our file is now downloaded, and now you can open it in Notepad, VS Code, or share it with anyone. Also, you can see here, ever wondered how does AI really think? It's like human brain. So this is what we have expected, and I think it is correctly written into transcript.txt, and then we have downloaded that file to on our local machine. Now this part is totally optional but super powerful. Want subtitles with timestamps? You just need to add one word. Copy this from Notepad and paste it, run it, and look at this output. It now shows timestamp text split by seconds. This is perfect if you're building subtitles, caption overlays, or even full podcast transcriber. So you just build a voice to text AI app with free tools, zero setup, and simple Python. No API, multilingual, clean transcript, and CO2 file. Also, the notepad file with all command is in the description. Just open, copy paste, and done. No typing, no confusion. Also, like, share, and subscribe for more AI builds from scratch with me, Gautam. See you in the next one.